Okay, I have a simple but powerful effect to share with you today. Now this is a compatibility test, and I'm going to assume I have two spectators here. So let's just go ahead and gather up the cards the best we can here. Oh golly, you guys are seeing everything. Turn those down, put those on top. Okay, very good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to deal out 4 cards to each of 2 spectators, spectator A and spectator B. Just like, left, right deal. Okay. Now, each of you is free to add any odd number of cards to your pile. Okay. Any odd number whatsoever. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and so forth. Okay. So spectator A, how many do you want added to your pile? Just 1? Okay, that's fine. What about spectator B? You want 3? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now, just know that when you go to perform this, the spectators can truly choose any odd number. That really is the case. Okay. Now, in an effort to mix them, we'll go ahead and do something called a Monge, under over. Okay, it will help scramble them further. And then for this compatibility test, we'll do the same thing to each of your piles. Now, you have to realize there's different number of cards in each, of course. So the procedure is we do the Australian shuffle, called the down under shuffle, followed by something called the Klondike shuffle. Now, since we had an odd number of cards there, it'll bring a single card to the top, right? And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing for spectator B's pile. Okay, so that's just the Australian down under, and followed by the Klondike. Okay, brings a single card to the top. Now we're hoping these 2 cards tell us something about the level of compatibility between the 2 of you. So let's just take a look. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Okay, well now wait a second. There really is just no way that this is anything more than dumb luck. Unless you guys are compatible to a degree that I've never seen before. Let's try that again. I'm not sure if I'm believing that. Okay, so what's the procedure? Oh, yeah. It's the down under shuffle, followed by the Klondike. Okay, brings a single card to the top. Probably we'll get something more realistic now. I think that really was just dumb luck. Australian down under, and then the Klondike, right? So Klondike. Okay, well we were testing for the second time essentially. So how did you guys do? There's no. Oh man, what in the world is going on with the 2 of you? I've never seen such a perfect outcome for a compatibility test. I'm so glad we got this on video. No one would believe it otherwise. Okay, so how is this done? Super simple. We just do everything I did. You just need to know one thing. Where were the aces at the beginning? From there, it's all self-working, actually. Okay, so the aces were in pairs. So 2 black, 2 red at the top. So you have a number of choices here. What I did was I just maintained those cards through a table wash. So my hand's right here, kind of hanging on to that group of 4, okay? And then there they are right there. So you just gather them up, and just make sure they go on top. This little packet goes on top. Or you could riffle shuffle the deck and preserve the top stock, is what they call it. Meaning riffle shuffle in a way that you leave the aces where they are. Okay, so that would be another way to do it. And then from there, it's all self-working, actually. This is really quite a remarkable effect. Yeah, so I'll add some notes in the description below. If you just go through the steps I showed you, this is guaranteed to work as is. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.